Kid Experiment.
Hi everyone, we will make our own magnet. These are the things we need. A strong magnet, a spoon, and a safety pin. You see that the spoon doesn't attract the pin. We have to rub the magnet on the spoon for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's test if the spoon sticks to the safety pin. Wow! The spoon is now a magnet. Oh my gosh! Bye! Like and subscribe for more videos and content.